How to cure hiccups. Tip 5. Paper towel method. Wet a paper towel with cold water. Fold the damp paper towel and form a small, cone-shaped tip. Place the narrow end of the paper towel on your tongue. Sip water through the paper towel slowly and steadily. Continue sipping until your hiccups disappear. The combination of the cold water and the paper towel's texture can help stimulate the vagus nerve and halt the hiccup reflex.
If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.